Hello everyone, it's girl Chris, and I'm here with another hair video. Look at my taco meat, y'all. Yes, I had my hair like this for a couple of days, and this is what it's been looking like under that scarf. I know, but I'll be going from this crazy look to this Beyonce braid. Yes, so if you want to see how I do that, then continue watching the video. Alright, here I am just using some basic water to make sure to saturate your whole head. And you can use any type of detangling tool. Please be gentle because this hurts. Alright, and I will be using my basic vegetable oil. I like to use vegetable oil to moisturize my hair because in the sun it kind of cooks my scalp and makes it feel really warm and toasty. I like that feeling. So if you like using vegetable oil, I recommend you to use it. I'm using the basic Eco Style green gel because it's my favorite color. And I just put it around the perimeter of my hair because I didn't feel like doing it throughout the whole head. So I just made sure I added enough to make sure it is all slicked and saturated. And I went back in with my brush. Please, again, be gentle on your head. Please be gentle. Look at this ponytail, you guys. I managed to put my teeny weeny afro in a ponytail. Yes, also use a bristle hard end brush. You got my little multiple one. But here, yes, you're going to make sure it is slick and smooth. Also at this part, you can also kind of mold however you want your ponytail to go. And I'm just using a basic ponytail holder. And for those who have short hair, you might need to go back in to add more pieces in the back. I said add more pieces. Add more gel to the back because it will kind of seep out of the ponytail because your hair is so short and curly. I look like a freaking lollipop, but it's okay. Oh, prime example. There's a piece right there. So just go back in and add more gel. And also if you want more secure, I use spritz. I sprayed so much in the back of my head because it's the shortest part of my head. And I just kind of smoothed it up into the ponytail. I had to take a selfie because I haven't had a ponytail in so long. Alright, so now I'm just making sure that it is wrapped and sealed so it won't come down. I put so many of these hair ties in my hair because I wanted to make sure that my hair was like really flat and that my curls wasn't coming out of the ponytail. Psycho. Alright, so I didn't use any type of braiding hair. I wanted to just make sure that my braid was just thick. Thank God this one came with 2 bundles, so I put both of them, wrapped the rubber band around the ponytail. And then you'll just go in with the regular Dutch braid. I was so surprised how it looked, you guys. This just looks so pretty. And to seal the end, I just use a basic ponytail holder. Now, this part is a little tricky because you need to make sure that the braid is covering your ponytail. So you need to make sure that your ponytail is tucked completely under the braid without your hair seeping through the braid on the top. Okay? And to make sure that the braid don't move or your hair doesn't come through, you will need to bobby pin the braid to the surface of your head and not inside of the ponytail, because if you stick those bobby pins in the ponytail, you will have a major headache in the crown of your head and you'll just be feeling pounding because I did it and worst decision ever, so don't do that. And I added more hair to the braid because it was just too short, so I wanted my hair to be very long and jumbo like Beyonce in the video. And I wanted my ends to be curly, so I used flexi rods. I just used gel to seal the end and make sure it don't unravel. And when doing this, make sure you dip the ends in boiling hot water so the curl can be formed in the shape of the flexi rod. Also, when taking it out, just make sure you are being very careful because you don't want the ends to get frizzy. And I just towel damp it, whatever. And here is the reveal. Psych. I'm just kidding, you guys. No, this is the real one right here. Give me a minute. Woo, ain't she fine? I just want you guys to admire this goddess right now. Yes, I had to put it in a bun. It's just beautiful, right? So if you guys enjoyed this video, because I did, I enjoyed this look. If you want to see the video on how I did the makeup, please let me know, because I did record myself doing the makeup. But I love you guys. Please follow me on all social media. I love you. Bye.